Having trouble finding the music option when uploading a status on WhatsApp? Don't worry, here are 4 ways to fix it. First, update WhatsApp through the Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. If an update is available, install it and check again. If that doesn't work, try clearing cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, WhatsApp Clear Cache. On iPhone, go to Settings General iPhone Storage WhatsApp Offload app, then reinstall. Don't worry, your chats won't be deleted. If the music feature is still missing, contact WhatsApp support. Open WhatsApp settings. Help Center, search Features, and scroll to Contact Support. Explain the issue and ask them to enable the feature. Still not working? There's an alternative using Instagram to add music to your status. You'll find that tutorial linked in the video description. Keep your app updated. You might get the feature soon. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.